the pro. You're the pro. You're the pro.
That's crazy cinematic zoom that MrBeast uses mostly. You want it? No cap. Just follow me step by step. Hit subscribe, like, and open CapCut. Bring in your clip to the timeline, adjust and cut out unnecessary parts. Then add keyframe at the beginning and at the end of the video. Then determine how you want the zoom, slight, medium, or full zoom. Then add keyframe like this at all the points both for zoom and return to normal. Then click the point you want to zoom, increase the scale until you get to the point you want. Here, I use 200% for medium, 400% for high, and 500% for full. And then adjust the point you want the zoom, concentrate on, to be at the center of the screen. The distance between the keyframes determine the speed of the zoom. I use between 2 and 1.5 seconds for normal, and between 20 and 15 microseconds for flash zoom. Preview your job. Boom! You are now a pro. Check out other pro tools up here.